Hello, it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a fantastic day. So today what we're going to be doing is I have the Feelunique Pick N Mix for this month to unbox with you guys. Okay then, so before we get started and unbox the box itself, what I will say is I am testing out my new ring light and just working on what lighting is going to work best in, these darker months where I can't use the natural lighting. So if there's something that's annoying you about the lighting, please drop me a comment and let me know. If you have any tips also, drop me a comment and let me know, because this is, like I said, it's all new to me really, all of this. So just let me know what you think. So if you've remembered me talking about it last month, what the Pick N Mix service is that you go onto the Feelunique website and into the Pick N Mix section and you are able to choose 5 samples for yourself. Now among the samples you'll find things like makeup, skincare, hair care, etc. There's many different types of things and there's something for everyone. Now sometimes there are larger samples, sometimes there are smaller samples. It all just depends on when you check. But it is worth checking out every month because some months you get some really decent sized samples. And it's worth noting that this box is absolutely free. You just pay £3.95 postage, and that £3.95 that you spend, you get the £3.95 back as a voucher code to use on the Feelunique website, which has lots of fantastic products. I've actually just picked myself up an order using my £3.95 voucher from last month. So that month it cost me nothing and I got to get some great little buys on the website. So without further ado, we will open the box. I will note that last month it came in more of an envelope box. This month we get more of a chunky little box. Just rip along the side then. Done. And it does say the little almost there. I love Feelunique boxes. I'll say that in every box opening, but I really do enjoy them. Okay, so then inside we have a little delivery slip with the items that I chose on there, and it's well packaged. It comes with some little bits, and then in there are my sample sizes for this month. Well, not sizes, just samples. Firstly then, you get a little leaflet that tells you all about the Pick N Mix service. It's just saying that you can play with 5 new products, and on the back it's telling you that, that it's here, and that you can claim the shipping back, and that you use certain hashtags, and that you should also check your email, and that you can only pick one a month. So I'm just going to discard that because I know everything. Woo. Right then, so I'm just going to dip into the box. What I will say about the first item is that I was kind of like umming and ahhing about the last item to choose. I had 4 that I'd picked up and put in my basket that I was happy with, and then I really wasn't sure what I wanted the 5th one to be, so I kind of just quickly had another little look and I picked up what I thought was a bigger sample size because I thought I might as well go for that if nothing else. And I made a mistake. I thought it was just a cleanser, but it turns out it's actually for men. So I got this Lab Series Skincare for Men all-in-one face cleansing gel, and I thought that was just a cleansing gel. I didn't read it properly, that's my bad. Again, I actually did this last month, didn't I, where I picked up an Elemis face wash instead of a moisturiser. I guess you don't let me loose on a website on my own. So anyway, this one is a nice little 7ml sample, and I'm guessing it's a cleansing gel that men could use. But it's not a too bad little size. It is a little tubey thing. You probably get a good couple of uses out of that. So that's a really nice little one. I might give it to Chris, and if Chris doesn't want it, I can offer it to another man in my life. Jake? Next item I picked up then was the Ritual of Sakura body cream sample. And I've had the Ritual of Sakura shower gel in a Birchbox, so I know it smells really nice. So that's quite an exciting little thing to find on there. And this one's a decent-ish size. It's 10ml. I mean, I don't know if it's going to cover my whole body, but I don't know how thick it is. It might actually go quite far. It's a nice little size tube, really, for a sample that's costing me nothing. So I'm really happy with that. So I'll just open it out. Oh, and it does come straight in there. So we'll have a little play. Oh, I think a little will go a long way. So I think that will last. Oh, it smells delicious. I suppose it's worth noting the scent is organic rice milk and cherry blossom, and it's a lovely little thing. It's a rich, nourishing body cream, and I think that that's a really nice little thing. It's a good one that's handy to pop into like a bag or something if you're going away. I think these are so handy, these samples. I love them. So the next item is by Rituals again. I saw another little one and I thought that these are so handy little sizes and, you know, for free. Wow. This one is the Ritual of Ayurveda. I'm really bad at pronouncing things in these videos, aren't I? Honestly. Okay, this one is a hand balm and it's Indian and sweet almond oil, which I thought sounded delicious. Almonds smell fantastic. So let's have a little smell of that one because I've not tried this one before. Ooh, I've dropped the lid on the floor. It's quite a subtle smell, I think, but it's nice. It does feel really nice. I feel like it's gone quite far, the little tiny bit that I put on my hands, so that's nice. So that means that this will last a little bit longer. And I think, again, it's handy to pop in a handbag, especially if you haven't got the largest of handbags on a day out or something. I do like to top up my hand cream. So a really nice little pick again this month. The next item then is a makeup item and it's this Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer, and on that you get 3 little samples and it's available in 12 shades and we get 3. We get 1N, 2W and 4N. So not for the darkest of skin tones, but I think one of these will probably work well with my skin tone. And it's just a handy little thing just to try and see if the concealer is actually anything worth buying, because you don't want to pay for a full size thing and then discover you don't like it. So I think these things are really handy. Okay then, our last item is another perfume item. And if you remember last month, I ended up sneezing, sniffing the perfume. I'm hoping I'm not going to today, but you know, I have been fighting a cold, so it doesn't bode well. So I picked up this Floral Street Wild Vanilla Orchid perfume. I haven't heard of Floral Street, I don't know if that's just me, but I love the smell of vanilla and I thought that, you know, Wild Vanilla Orchid sounded nice, so I'll give it a try. And I won't know anything about the brand unless I do try it, so, you know, again, handy. And in there it comes in a little sample bottle. Again, another really handy size for a handbag. Does this have any? It doesn't really have any write-up on it. Got a nice little floral picture inside. I've just stabbed myself in the cheek. See a nice floral picture, and yes, nothing on there, so I guess nothing left to do but give it a little sniff. There we go. Oh yes, there's definite vanilla in there. Oh, I really like it. It's very vanilla-y. And I love vanilla fragrances. I love them. I've got the I Heart Revolution soap spray that smells like a vanilla creme brulee, and I love that. Okay, so really happy with the perfume. What the hell? Try again. So I'm really happy with that perfume. Like I say, I love the smell of vanilla, so that's fantastic. So let's just have another little quick rundown of everything I got in this box. Okay then, so just a little rundown. We got the Lab Series Skincare for Men Cleansing Gel. That's obviously not designed for me, but somebody may find it useful, whether I give it to Chris or a friend or something. You know, for 7 mils, a little sample size, I think that's cute, and it'll definitely go in like a travel bag if we're going away for a night or something. The next item then I picked up was the Ritual of Sakura Rituals Body Cream, and I really like the smell of that, and I think that that's a really little handy size to slip in a bag, or you know, if we're going away for a night again, really handy. Really handy. That's what I should have said about this one. This is the Hand Balm by Rituals, and it's the Ritual of Ayurveda. And again, another really little handy size to slip into a handbag or some overnight bag. I really like the Rituals range, so I'm looking forward to using this one. Then I got the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Concealer, and again, it's got a few shades, so I will give that a little go and see what I think. I think it might be quite pricey, so I don't know if I'll pick it up if I'm not too impressed. But again, it's a good little way of trying things, so happy with that. And lastly then, we picked up the Floral Street Wild Vanilla Orchid perfume. And I really like the smell. It smells like vanilla, and I love vanilla. It was actually the vanilla that caught my eye, so I really can't keep throwing that box. So I'm happy with the perfume. In fact, I am happy with the whole box. I think it's a nice little sample size thing, and I think it actually only cost me £3.95 that I will be getting back to use on other items. I think it's great. So that's everything then. I'll link the Feelunique Pick and Mix service down below. As ever then, if you've liked the video, then please hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, then please subscribe because it'd be fantastic to have you here, and tell your friends because I do plan on doing a giveaway very soon. So until my next video, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye bye. Just hit myself in the ear. Bye.